The Therapeutic Goods Administration has received reports of people suffering severe allergic reactions to illegal peptide products. Dr. Michael Bonning is the Australian Medical Association's Chair of Public Health and joins me now. Thank you for your time.
Hi, Jade.
Explain for us, first of all, what are peptides and how are they being used?
Peptides are short chains of amino acids, which are the building blocks for proteins. They can mimic or simulate natural biological processes, including those involved in growth, metabolism, tissue repair. You'll know certain regulated peptides like insulin, the GLP-1 diabetes medications, and oxytocin. So there are regulated peptides, but what we are seeing and what the TGA has put out this safety alert about is designer, unregulated, sold online peptides that are not checked or reviewed for any form of safety or quality here in Australia.
Just how popular have they become, and is social media partially driving that? We're just seeing some videos at the moment, I believe, taken from social media on this.
That is the prime, kind of battleground for the explosion of peptide use in Australia. Influencers driving the use of these products that they will say, look at my physique, look how good I look. I've done that and I can sell you a peptide that will help you do that. Now, the real risk there is you have no idea what you are taking or injecting, and these social media influencers are often on the other side of the world where we have not a whole lot of recourse to go after them when people have serious adverse reactions.
Yeah, what kind of reactions have people had? The TGA has warned of severe allergic reactions requiring hospitalisation in some cases.
Absolutely. So if you think about this, you're receiving a package in the mail that you don't really know anything about. It's, in some cases it may well be that these were produced on someone's kitchen benchtop. They're not the same kind of quality that you might expect from a pharmaceutical manufacturing process. Now, to go with that, we see things like these severe whole-of-body inflammatory responses requiring hospitalisation, hypersensitivity reactions, issues of insomnia, blurred vision, extreme tiredness, musculoskeletal injuries, and then going back to that you can also have, infections at the injection site and kind of lots of local tissue damage. So all of those things are, just potential risks, but ones that we are seeing reported now quite regularly to the TGA.
The TGA, as you say, has issued this alert today. What do you make of its response overall so far?
We're very supportive of the action the TGA is taking. I think the TGA has really matured its approach, through issues like the compounding of GLP-1 medications, issues to do with vapes, to recognise that so much of consumer demand is now driven through social media, and trends of new medications or, in this case, supplements, peptides, are showing up on our shores with little to no kind of warning. And so the TGA needs to be, and are trying to be, more embedded with being on the front end of that. So seeing what's coming in via relationships with Border Force, but also through being more tuned into social media. But I think we need to give them more powers, because we can't just rely on environments where we're seeing safety problems, because there will be many, many, many more people who have taken something, have not let anyone else know, and have had a serious, or if not serious, maybe mild to moderate reaction. And while that might be like that for them, it could easily be a life-threatening reaction for someone else.